Okay, so this is Sachin Dare from Mumbai Public School.
Yeah.
I'm privileged here to present this lesson on behalf of our BMC channel team. Here, I would like to thank to our administrative officer, Snelata Dumre madam, then nodal bit officer, Sharat Kurade sir, then nodal HM, respected Mary Pushpam Paul, then assistant nodal HM, Manpreet Kaur Anand, and respected CNO, Mr. Ratilal sir. So, before starting our lesson, let's have a glance towards this slide. So, Ruchi, what can you see in this picture? Ruchi?
Sir, there is the level 4 result, level 3 impact, level 2 learning, and level 1 reaction.
Okay. So, have you heard these words somewhere? Results, impact, learning, reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Result. What can you say about result?
Means final.
Final. Okay. Final
Sir,
marks.
In our school, when our paper is finished, we get the marks.
Okay. Impact. What is the meaning of impact?
Sir, impact means that an effect or impression.
Impression. Okay. Okay. Reaction. Reaction.
Means that the action was not, but the whole second action was done.
Okay. So one more leading question to all of you. So when we talk about this result, impact, learning, reaction, so this is nothing but we can say that at the end of the lesson, what you have achieved, okay, at the end of the lesson. So one more question to you. What do you generally do when you learn a lesson? What do you do at the end of the lesson when you learn a chapter, poem? Yes, Ruchi?
We are doing evaluation.
Evaluation. Very good, dear. So today's topic is we are going to evaluate what we have learned in the last slide, because last also we conducted a lesson. In the last lesson, Ruchi,
In the lab, we are learning what we have learned in the
yes,
meeting.
yes. What was the topic that we learned in the last meeting? Yes.
First, we have learned the Rangoli.
No. Me, especially me, myself, Sachin Dale teacher. No. So last time also I conducted a lesson. Can you remember the name of that lesson?
Adverb.
Yes, my dear. So today we are going to revise or evaluate the topic that is adverb. Yes. So let's take a glance towards what actually we are going to do. Can anybody read for me?
Adverb function. Learning outcomes. To know application of adverbs in sentences. Identify various types of adverbs. To apply adverbs in day-to-day life. To get question with grammar question based on adverbs. Read with grammar question based on adverbs.
Okay, my dear. So see here, whenever you start any lesson or any activity or any you do activity or we can say any task, so you need to have proper goal. Yes. See, I have a picture over here. This man want to go at a particular we can say spot. Then their ladder is there. So this is just a symbol. So when you have a perfect, we can say perfect aims and objective, then you are clear with your goal. So here, what we are having, what we want to achieve through this lesson, to know the application of adverb. Already we learned it, but just to know apply how can we apply the adverb. Then identify the various types of adverb. I have given you a trick also. Definitely, we are going to revise that trick. Then apply adverbs in your day-to-day life. So just now we are talking, we are having a conversation. So I want you to also use the adverb while conversation also. Means not necessary every time, but if it is possible, then you have to use it. Then the last one is to get acquainted with grammar questions based on adverbs. That definitely all the slides are based upon this only. We are going to deal with all the grammar questions, particularly based upon the adverb. Let's have a glance toward this slide. Priyanshu, I want Priyanshu this time. Can you read for me, Priyanshu? Yes, Priyanshu. Priyanshu Kumari, whatever the Priyanshu Kumar. Okay, Priyanshu, can you put on your mic on? Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Can you read for me? Priyanshu.
The The term implies that the principal function of adverbs is to act as modifiers of verbs or verb pairs, and adverbs used in this way may provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency, certainty, or other
Okay.
must customers
Hmm.
of the activity denoted by the verb or verb phrase.
Okay, very good, my dear. So last time I also said you, whenever you see such type of a big definition, you just have to focus on keywords. So definitely when you are talking about adverb, the word itself, see here, adverb, verb and ad. Ad indicates you have to add something to verb. So when you add something to verb, something meaningful to verb, we can say, and again simpler way, that when you we can say describe a verb in a particular, we can say, a more meaningful way, in that word which describes verb in a more meaningful way, that can be called as an adverb. And when particularly talking about this definition, when we are talking in a manner, when we are talking about a place, time, frequency, certainty means whether it is going to happen or not, circumstances, particular situations and all that, so then we are going to use the adverb. So let's have a glance toward the next slide.
Tortoise walk slowly. In that
Yes.
slowly is adverb.
Okay. And
Rabbit jump swiftly. Swiftly is adverb.
yes, very good, dear. So this is what we can say, how they are walking or how they are jumping. Okay. So how? First of all, you have to ask the question how. How does the tortoise walks? So the answer is tortoise walks slowly. How does the rabbit jumps? So rabbit jumps swiftly. So these slowly and swiftly, these are what adverbs, and they tells more about verbs. So slowly, which tells more about walk. Swiftly tells about jump. That's all we learned. Let's have a glance towards this slide. I need Aditya. Can you read for me, Aditya?
Types. Adverb of time. Adverbs.
Mm.
Already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday.
Mm.
Soon, letting. Examples. I have heard this before. I have not seen him since.
Then
Teacher,
next
so
time.
can I read?
Yeah, continue.
Uh, adverb. Six types of adverb. Adverb. Time. Adverb of time. Already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately. Example. I have heard this before. I have not seen him since. I haven't spoken to her yet. She is will be here soon. Adverb of frequency. Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once. It's always example, it always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. I occasionally eat junk food. Adverb of place. Here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upward. Is that your scarf? This? I have lived here for about 2 years. I walked it backwards towards the door. She turned her face upwards to the sun. Adverb of manner. So slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. The shows example, the shoulders brought bravery. Is that so? She dressed beautifully. We waited. Sir, what is this?
Which one, dear? We walk backwards,
No, sir, down.
down. She turned her face upwards. No,
No, sir, we waited. That one.
we waited anxiously.
And gently by the phone. Adverb of degree.
Yes.
Almost love leather, quite too enough perfectly. Example, I am fully prepared. I am leather busy. She almost 30. They are perfectly situated. Adverb
Mhm.
of air, affirmation. Certainly, shortly, apparently, oppositely, no, undoubtedly.
Yes.
Surely you are mistaken.
Yes.
Apparently, it's going to rain today. The design certainly looks good on paper.
Okay. Yes, thank you, dear. So my objective is why we are revising again this, because next I have questions about all types of adverb. So I will say that this is, we can say, the master key for you to revise the adverb. So just once again I will tell you, these are all the, we can say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 types. So when you talk about adverb of time, you just have to think about when it happened, today, tomorrow, never, like that. When about frequency, how many times, like you go to school regularly, but as of now there is a COVID-19 situation is there. But generally before this corona, you were in a situation that you go to school regularly, yes. And adverb of place where exactly the particular object is lying, backward, away, near, and all that. Manner, I told you already also, manner is not only about like what exactly the word manner means. Manner means how do you talk to others and all that, how you behave with others. But in case of our adverb of manner, how exactly the particular things happen, how it looks and all that. So slowly, badly, beautifully, these are some of the adverb of degree. Degree, you know, you have a compass and all that protector with you. So you have that degree measurement and all that. So when you say that 90 degree, it's almost upright and all that. So below and all that. So this is all about your mathematical term. But in case of our English grammar, degree means how far or how much that particular thing happens. What is the intensity of that particular thing? Intensity means, suppose if you talk about the temperature, as of now it's almost 9 o'clock. So the temperature is not, we can say, too hot. When you use the word too hot, yes. So if it is a 1 o'clock, you will certainly use that it is too hot. So the degree of the temperature is increased. So we are using this adverb TOO2. Okay. So then again, few of the adverb of degree are enough, rather, perfectly, and all that. Then once again, we have this adverb of affirmation. Affirmation, you are, we can say, granting, you are allowing, or you are agree with particular statement. So when you discuss with your friend circle, there are many things when you agree, or many things when you disagree. So when you agree, these are called as adverb of affirmation. Disagree, that is called as a negation. We already learned about this. So surely, obviously, no. So this no is negation, but adverb of affirmation is surely and all that. Let's go to our questions, the main slides.
An adverb of time tells us when or dash the action occurs. How come, how many, how often.
Okay, so what will be the answer, Sakshi? Sorry, Ruchi.
Sir, how often will come?
Yes, dear. Because can you see here, green font is there? How often? It is in a green color. Yes or no, Ruchi?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
this,
sir, now I
yeah,
can see.
yeah, this is the answer for this question. So the an adverb of time tells us when or how often. If you talk about when or how come, so that will be different. When or how many the action, this is not suited in this sentence. But how often the action occurs. As I already told you, the time means how many times, how often it occurs. Okay. See here, how
Okay,
often. Often means how number of times and all that. Yes. Let's go
yes.
for a next slide. Ruchi, can you read this?
Adverb of time. Christmas is celebrated dash on December 25. Daily, monthly, annually.
So the answer is,
Sir, third will come. C.
how come? क्यों थर्ड आएगा, पहला दूसरा क्यों नहीं? Why?
Sir, because Christmas is not celebrated daily. It is not festival of daily and monthly. It is not festival of monthly.
Yes.
And annually we are celebrating at 25th December.
Yes, very good. Let's go for a next slide.
The drought lasted many months, but the rains days came.
Very good, dear. What's your name?
Shaista.
Shaista. Okay. What will be the answer for this, Shaista? इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है?
Eventually.
Yes, eventually. Very good. Yes. See, eventually, because see the drought lasted many months. Drought आपको मालूम है, यहाँ पे पिक्चर में देखो, देखो राइट साइड पे ड्रॉट है, ड्रॉट मतलब सूखा पड़ना एकदम, और लास्ट में क्या दिया है, बट द रेन्स इवेंचुअली कम, क्योंकि देखो अपोजिट है ना, ये जो इधर ग्रीनरी दिख रहा है आपको, ये रेन्स भले ही हम लोग बोलते हैं सीजन रेन है, लेकिन पिछले 2 साल से हम लोग देख रहे हैं क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, सो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द रेन्स एज वी नीड, बट ये ड्रॉट है, ये हमें छोड़ता ही नहीं, बिकॉज आप कहीं भी देखेंगे इन ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र और इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया, दिस ड्रॉट इज वेरी, वी कैन से टिपिकल सिचुएशन. यस, इवेंचुअली मतलब कभी कभार आना, और मेनी टाइम्स दैट यू नो. ओके, लेट्स नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Yes,
I
Ruchi.
will call you option A later, yesterday, last year. Option A later.
Later. Why not yesterday or last year? Later.
Because usually we are saying that I will call you later, not yesterday. On we not say last year.
अच्छा ठीक है, I will call you later. इसके अलावा यहाँ पे और क्या फिट हो सकता था? Which other adverb will be fitted over here? Later के अलावा और क्या ले सकते थे हम लोग? ये yesterday तो नहीं लेंगे, चलो ये फिट नहीं हो रहा है, लास्ट ईयर भी नहीं फिट हो रहा है. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन हियर? चलो लेटर तो वेरी गुड, लेटर मतलब बाद में कॉल करूंगा, आप बिजी हो गए तो. आई
I
थिंक
will call you next time.
नेक्स्ट टाइम, वेरी गुड. आई विल कॉल यू ऑन टुमारो. यस, टुमारो भी हो सकता है इसका
I
ऑप्शन.
will call you after tomorrow.
Yes, very good.
In a few seconds.
Yeah. So I will call you later. Yes. See here, the symbol is also there. Yes. So we'll go for a next slide.
Most adverb of manner are made by adding ly to their
Corresponding.
corresponding verb, noun, adjective. Sir, answer will come adjective.
Yes, the answer is adjective only. See what the sentence is telling us. Most adverbs of manner are made by adding ly. Here, angry, you know this is adjective. When you add ly, it is angrily. Brave. Who will tell me the opposite word of brave? Okay.
Coward or fear. Yes, coward.
Fearful,
Cowardly.
coward. So once again, going back to our question, angry, angrily, brave, bravely, then again cautiously, courageously, courageously. Okay. So when you add ly to particular adjective, then it becomes adverb, and we do it most of the time. Focus on the first word. Most means we can say that many times. Even when you use the word most, it becomes a rule. When you say generally, it becomes a rule. Let's go for a next one.
I could hear my neighborhood should girl dash at each other.
Yes, Arya, what will be the answer?
B1.
Sure. I could hear my neighbors shouting dash at each other. So angrily. Because if you use shouting angry at each other, it doesn't make any sense. Although we are fitting this angry, but our even the third one. What is the difference between third and second one? Why I have take B only? Why not C?
Because her spelling was wrong.
Yes.
Because sir, angry in the word angrily we are not adding E.
Yes. Why I deliberately added this? Because in later time when you solve your we can say your scholarship exam and all that, you have such type of words in your English subject. So generally we are habituated to use angrily is there at a C option. We don't focus on each and every we can say letter over here. So when you give such type of exam, it's your duty to focus on such spellings also. Within a second, you can even tick mark C also, and you would got negative marks or a 0 marks. So deliberately I added this. So whenever you read the question, try to read it once, twice, thrice, and think about the answers. Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. So in this way, the answer is angrily. You can see the picture also here. See this green colored t-shirt wearing boy, and here another one. So this is. Can you tell more about this picture? इसको देख के आपको क्या क्या लगता है?
The boy is shouting at the another boy.
What is the another boy's reaction? See, tell me.
The man was shouting very angrily and very loudly. It was not
what about this person wearing purple t-shirt?
He was put his finger in the
Yeah.
ear.
Yes, and
He was not listening.
okay. Is he tense? Is he calm? कैसा है वो? Is he tense, calm? So I just want to say that when you are angry, actually you are giving tension to yourself only, because when you are angry, your blood pressure increases and all that. I know sometimes you have to become angry, but most of the time try to avoid such conditions. See the position of this green color t-shirt person, how his head and how his mind and all that. So it's a pressurized condition on yourself only. Okay. So don't try to become angry. Try to remain as cool as you can in any situation. Otherwise, it's become hectic for you. Let's go for our next slide. Sonali Gupta, can you read for me? Sonali Gupta. Yes, Sonali. Sonali Gupta, can you put on your mic on? Yes, Sonali. Yes, Sonali.
Waited we waited for the bus to arrive punctually, promptly, punctually.
Okay.
Punctually.
Yes. So what will be the answer?
Sir. Yeah. Sir, can I? Sir, patiently. Patiently.
One by one.
Patiently.
One by one. Sonali, what? Promptly. Okay. Ruchi, what will be the answer? Ruchi.
Option A, patiently.
Patiently. Very good. Anyone else? Jerry and Jolly. Answer क्या होता है? Jerry and Jolly. Sonali.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yes. What will be the answer? Yes, Arya, Akot. Yes. Okay. So let's focus on first question itself. We waited dash for the bus to arrive. So dash means what will exactly fit over here? It will be patiently. Let's have we can say yes, patiently. Because why not promptly? Promptly means you are cautious over there. Punctually.
Sir, in that sentence, the word is conveyed. That's why we are using patiently.
Patiently. Ruchi, one more question to you. I have used here we waited. Why I have used we? Look at the picture and tell me we. Why we?
Sir, because sir, there are three people.
Okay.
And for one people we are using I.
Yes.
And,
yes.
Or for the two or more people we are using we.
We. Okay. Very good. Very good. Your observation is quite good. Nice. I need such type of reply from other persons also. Very good, Ruchi. Let's go for a next slide. Because when you have to get something, see in this slide, because you are going to get inside the bus and you will reach to your destiny or whichever place you want to get. So when you need something, you have to be patient. When you are getting something, you have to be patient. Yes, easily you can't get everything. I just want to say that only. Let's go for a next slide.
I tried this, but I couldn't win the race.
So कौन सा adverb आएगा यहाँ पे? Which adverb?
Hardly.
Yes, Ruchi.
Hard.
Hard. Why the answer is hard? Why not hardly or hardily?
Because sir, I tried hard, but this word will be suitable for this sentence.
One more thing I would like to tell you here. When you use the word hard means what? Difficult. When definitely you are not going to get particular thing, we say hard. And when you use the ly to it, so the meaning gets completely changed. ये कोई हार्ड के साथ उसका मीनिंग नहीं रहता. हार्ड के साथ अगर एलवाई लगाएंगे आप, जैसे कि यहाँ पे बी ऑप्शन है HARDLY, हार्डली. तो हार्डली मीन्स समटाइम्स. हार्डली का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट. हार्डली का मतलब होता है समटाइम्स. जैसे देखो हम लोगों ने इसके पहले भी बहुत सारे वर्ड देखे, उसके साथ एलवाई लगा देंगे, उसका मीनिंग तो नहीं चेंज होता, लेकिन वो बन जाता है एडवर्ब. लेकिन यहाँ पे हार्ड के साथ एलवाई लगाएंगे तो पूरा मीनिंग ही चेंज होता है, चेंज हो जाता है. तो ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स है. तो आपके लिए मैं एट द एंड ऑफ दिस लेसन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू होमवर्क आल्सो. अगर आपके पास नोटबुक है तो आप भी जॉट डाउन करो। ऐसे कौन कौन से वर्ड है जिसके लास्ट में आपने एलवाई लगा दिया तो वो एडवर्ब तो बन जाते हैं, लेकिन उसका जो मेन वर्ब रहेगा, जैसे मेन वर्ब क्या था, हार्ड था, तो वो उससे उसका मीनिंग ही पूरा चेंज हो जाता है। तो हार्डली का मतलब समटाइम्स, हार्डली आई गो टू वी कैन से विलेज। अभी तो ऐसा ही हो गया है ना, क्योंकि ज्यादा कौन विलेज जाता है, वी आर इन अ सिटी ओनली। सो हार्डली मीन्स सम ओनली वंस और ट्वाइस ओनली, बट हार्ड का मतलब यहाँ पे डिफिकल्ट होता है। तो देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिया गया है, ये पिक्चर के बारे में कौन बताएगा मुझे? आदित्य, व्हाट कैन यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर?
The girl is tired
टायर्ड, ओके, और कुछ?
and he was loose in the race.
ओके, यस, सो आई ट्राइड हार्ड, उसने कैसी कोशिश की, हाउ शी फॉट और हाउ शी पार्टिसिपेटेड?
He participated very hard.
Very hard, or with her full jill and full we can say with her best, yes. तो यहाँ पे हार्ड ही सूट हो जाएगा, आई ट्राइड हार्ड बट आई कुडंट विन द रेस। और वैसे भी मैं आपको एक सजेशन यहाँ पे देना चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी रेस में आपको विन होना जरूरी नहीं। इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू शुड बी अ नंबर 1 और अ नंबर 2, इट्स ओनली नेसेसरी दैट यू शुड पार्टिसिपेट। ऐसे कि जैसे कि अभी अपना यहाँ पे लेक्चर चल रहा है, तो यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग, दैट्स व्हाई, दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, यस। लेट्स गो फॉर अ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, this one. Aditya Pandey, can you read for me?
They study after classes. After class.
Okay.
Sir,
Ruchi,
can I give answer?
Always.
Sir, always will come.
Always. Option number है always.
very
Sir,
good, very good.
always will come.
हम लोग उसके आंसर के ऊपर जाएंगे, देखेंगे हम लोग, लेकिन सबसे पहले मुझे बताओ एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी का मतलब क्या होता है? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी।
Sir, what?
ये जो वर्ड दिया है ना पर्पल कलर में, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी,
Particular.
Adverb of frequency means, sir, in the always will come, usually will come, normally will come, often will come, sometimes once.
okay, so frequency means, frequency means what is the
Sir,
meaning of
about time.
frequency? frequency का मतलब, yes Ruchi, frequency मतलब how often the time, how often, कितनी बार होता है वो, how often। जैसे कि आपके वीडियोस है, दिन में आप लेक्चर्स अटेंड करते हैं, है कि नहीं, बहुत सारे टीचर्स के, तो द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अटेंडिंग द वीडियो लेक्चर्स इज वी कैन से 5 times 8 times, जो भी आपके लेक्चर्स है दिन में 5 times 6, yes, so the frequency means how often, yes, so the answer ओके, ठीक है, आंसर के हम लोग जाएंगे, आंसर देखेंगे हम लोग। रुचि, क्या व्हाट कैन यू सी मोर इन दिस पिक्चर? ये पिक्चर के बारे में बताओ मुझे जरा।
Sir, here are the one boy, 3 girls and 1 boy. They are studying together. And sir, the yellow
Sir, can I?
girl is reading.
Yes, who was saying that can I? You can try dear. और कौन था?
There was a group study.
Group study, very good. और
They are reading, writing.
Okay, reading. So one thing is common, that they are helping to each other. There is a cooperation, yes. And most the important thing is they are studying, yes or not? So let's have the answer for this. So Ruchi, read this.
Always.
Always. I always study after class. If I use that I hard study after class, it doesn't make any sense. I about study after class, it doesn't make any sense. One more question to Ruchi only. Which other adverb of frequency will suit over here? Always के अलावा और क्या यूज कर सकते थे हम यहाँ पे? I dash study after class. Yes, Ruchi, Shireen, Neha.
Sir,
Yes.
we can use sometimes. I sometimes study after class.
Yes. अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा कि आप जो क्लास में लेक्चर अटेंड करते हैं, you are fully attending over there, so it is also necessary that sometimes
I can also add once. I once study after class.
once, आपको लगता है ये सेंटेंस हो जाएगा? I once study after class. थोड़ा और कोई फ्रीक्वेंसी का एडवर्ब ले लो।
Sir, usually.
I usually study after class. Okay. Usually का meaning क्या होता है? Yes, रुचि.
Usually का meaning
Regularly, always.
regularly, always.
Yes. Let's go for a next slide.
Vegetarians never eat meat. Option number B, never.
Sir, never.
Never. Option number B.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Aditya.
vegetarians never eat meat.
वेरी गुड, आपने तो आंसर ही बता दिया. इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड. वन मोर थिंग आदित्य, हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन के बारे में जाएंगे. यहाँ पे पिक्चर में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है आपको आदित्य?
Mahatma Gandhi.
रीड दिस.
Mahatma Gandhi was telling, I will not take milk products or meat. If not taking these things would mean my death. I feel I'd rather face it.
मीनिंग बता सकते हैं आप ये सेंटेंस का? आदित्य थोड़ा एक गेस कर सकते हैं?
Meaning?
हाँ, ये मतलब गांधी जी क्या बताना चाहते हैं आपको ये स्लाइड से?
कि मैं कभी भी मिल्क नहीं लेता और मिल्क प्रोडक्शन और मीट नहीं लेता, क्योंकि इस चीज से ना मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरी डेथ हो सकती है.
और क्या करूंगा अगर मैं नहीं लूंगा तो?
मैं मर सकता हूँ.
आई फील आई वुड रादर फेस इट. मतलब मुझे नहीं लेने के बाद क्या होगा ना, तो उसके लिए मैं तैयारी रखूंगा, है कि ना? बट मैं वो नहीं लूंगा मतलब नहीं लूंगा. यस, अच्छी बात है कि आप वेजिटेरियन से नॉनवेज नहीं खाते हैं. जनरली यू शुड अवॉइड नॉनवेज, बट ऐसा भी है कि कुछ बेनिफिट भी रहते हैं. सपोज यू आर अ पेशेंट, you need a bad amount, you need the amount of protein and all that, so that's where somewhere you have to eat non-veg and all that. But generally you should depend upon this only, veg things only. Yes. Then let's go for answer. Ruchi, read for me. Ruchi.
Never.
Yes, never. Why not generally or always?
Because sir, in the slide, Mahatma Gandhi had tell I never. Because.
Yes, Ruchi.
Sir, in the slide, Mahatma Gandhi tell I never, I will not take.
Okay, if I ask you, what about Ruchi? Ruchi eat vegetarians or non-vegetarian things? Ruchi.
Sir, I am only vegetarian. I am not eating.
Okay, very good here. So why we have used never here? Never means confirmly you know that that thing is not going to happen, because vegetarians never eat meat. अगर आप यूज कर रहे हैं यू वेजिटेरियंस वर्ड, तो वेजिटेरियन मीन्स वेजिटेरियंस, उसमें कोई गुंजाइश नहीं कि आप नॉनवेज खाएंगे. अगर आप ह्यूमन बींग्स के बारे में रहता तो एक और वर्ड है, देखो, वेजिटेरियंस, नॉन वेजिटेरियंस, और एक है ओमनी. ओमनी आपने वर्ड सुना? OMNI. ओमनी मतलब दोनों भी खाते हैं, वेज भी खाते हैं, नॉन वेज भी खाते हैं, जैसे कि हम लोग ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, है कि नहीं? जैसे कि आप पर्टिकुलरली ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि जैसे कि गांधी जी ने कहा है, जैसे कि रुचि ने कहा भी, जरूरी नहीं कि आप स्टिक ही रहो वेज के लिए. इट्स अप टू यू ऑल्सो. बट नॉन वेज नहीं खाना चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत ही कभी कभार, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर डाइट एंड ऑल दैट. यस, so here the word is never, and never is a negative word. Okay. और ये फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या बताता है इसकी, कि कभी नहीं हैपन होगा. adverb frequency, it tells that it will never means kabhi nahi, there are zero chances. Let's go for this beautiful slide. Then Sakshi Ram Prakash. Sakshi, क्या मेरे लिए रीड कर सकते हैं आप? Sakshi. Yes, Sakshi.
Can I read?
Okay, Ruchi.
I dash sing in the shower. Sometimes backwards, away. So sometimes.
Why sometimes? Why not backward or away?
Sir, because we backward will not and away also. I sometimes, this is a proper word of the sentence.
Okay. And if I ask Ruchi dash sing in the shower, तो इसके लिए क्या आएगा? Sometimes आएगा कि always आएगा?
Sir, I am always sing in the shower.
Okay, that's a very good thing. Never आ सकता है यहाँ पे? Never.
Yes, sir.
नेवर आ सकता है. यस, आ सकता है, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं कि सब जन ही गाते गाते नहाते जाए, है कि नहीं? बिजी रहेंगे तो
वो तो हेट होता है सॉन्ग से.
सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर पर्सनल चॉइस. सो देखिए, adverb frequency also considers your personal choice. Isn't it a wonderful thing? अगर ये फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको अलग अलग चॉइस दे रहे हैं तो यू शुड यूज इट इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. जैसे कि रुचि ऑलवेज सिंग इन द शावर, आई समटाइम्स सिंग इन द शावर. आर्या का भी नहीं आवाज है. लेट्स गो फॉर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
I dash go to bed late. Occasionally back up road. Sir, option number A.
Really?
Because back will not come. Back go and up road also not come.
Yes, Ruchi, you're absolutely right. The answer is I occasionally go to bed late. Ruchi, can you describe about this girl and this picture? Ruchi.
Yes, sir. The girl is sleeping on the bed, and the moon, there is moon, star and rocket.
What about the face of this girl?
Happy, and she's looking so cute.
Okay. Generally, all of us look very cute when we slept. When we slept fast, we can say बहुत गहरी नींद में हम लोग खो जाते हैं, तो ऐसे ही दिखते हैं हम लोग. और मेन थिंग इज दैट शी इज having some sort of, we can say, dreams and all that. यहाँ पे रॉकेट है तो सूरज, अच्छा चांद वगैरह इसके बारे में सोच रही. What about you, Ruchi? What do you think when you slept? Can you remember something about your dreams and all that?
Yes, sir. I like to be a teacher. I daily dream I want to be a teacher.
Yes, all the best for you, dear. Definitely you will become a teacher. Okay, once again, we are going back to our question. Adobe of frequency. I occasionally go to bed late. तो अच्छी बात है. Occasionally मतलब कभी कभार. ऐसा कब होता है रुचि, आपके साथ हुआ है ऐसा कभी कि you go to bed late? कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है कभी? Yes.
सर, कभी कभी स्टडी करते करते लेट हो जाता है. और कभी कभी सोने नींद कभी नहीं आता, इसलिए बेड लेट हो जाता है.
Yes, very good. Yeah. So occasionally means sometimes. और अच्छी बात है. Sometimes मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि you should regularly go to bed early, because एक quotation है, देखो, early to go bed and all that. Can you remember that quotation? Quote. Early to rise, early to bed, give you a lot of strength. Yes. तो occasionally means अगर आपको कोई कंप्यूटर पे काम रहेगा या कोई आपका रिलेटिव बीमार रहेगा, if you have to visit a particular hospital and then you have to come late night and all that, it is granted, it happens, it is a natural. But generally when you stick to your timetable, when you stick to your study and the regular schedule, I would strongly suggest that you should go to bed as early as possible. Okay, let's go for a next. Now before reading this slide, I need another face. Aditya कहाँ गया? Aditya, can you tell something about this Adobe place? Yeah. Aditya, Shivam Yadav, Sonali Gupta, Khushi Gupta, Shirin, Hussein. Just आपका माइक ऑन करना है और एक दो वर्ड आपको जो भी आते हैं आपको बोलना है. रुचि, no problem. Yes, Ruchi, read this slide.
An adverb of place tells us that the verb's action happened. Sir, where will come because an adverb of place tells us where the verb action happens.
Very good, dear. Where? Can you tell more about this adverb of place? इसके बारे में और थोड़ा information. क्या होता है ये adverb of place?
Sir, adverb of place means here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, or away, backward.
Okay.
Sir, can I say one sentence about?
Yeah. Tell me. Yes, Ruchi.
I turned my face upwards to the sun.
Sun. Okay, very good. So ये जो upward है ये क्या हो गया आपका? Adverb of place हो गया. Very good. Ruchi, can you read for me?
The office was closed, so we waited until it opened.
तो क्या आएगा आंसर?
Sir, near, above या near will become
50-50, nearby 50 or above 50. Okay, let's go for another audience. These participants. Shirin, शिरीन क्या आएगा आंसर यहाँ का? हुसैन?
Sir, nearby.
Yeah, nearby only. Yes, you are right, dear. The answer is nearby only. Nearby only. Ruchi, can you describe the picture? क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग?
There are men. They are waited. I think this is our office, and they are waited outside the office.
Okay. How many people are there? Can you count and tell me, Ruchi?
Yes, sir. 11 people.
Okay. Was there any incident in your life that you are going to visit particular hall or school or a museum and it is not open and you have to wait outside? Can you describe? Why?
So one time I want to go to beach. My father has to say to go to beach, but in that case my father's office is open and my father's boss is said, come now.
Okay, very good. That's a nice incident. Anushree, can you put on your mic on? Anushree. Anushree. So once again, going back to our question, the office was closed, so we waited nearby until it opened. अब वो यहाँ पे सूट नहीं होगा, इनसाइड भी देखो, अगर आप ऑफिस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं तो इनसाइड तो आएगा ही नहीं. यस रुचि, अगर आपको जाने ही नहीं दे रहे तो इनसाइड कहाँ से होगा? हाउ कैन यू कम इनसाइड इफ यू आर गेटिंग ऑलरेडी आउटसाइड द प्रीमाइसेस? सो ये ऑप्शन 100% डिलीट हो जाता है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको बोलते हैं व्हाट वी से व्हेन यू सॉल्व एनी एमसीक्यू ना, अगर आप पहले से ही किसी आंसर को डिलीट कर सकते हैं तो दैट टेक्निक इज नोन एज टेक्निक ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. अब ये थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा है बट याद कर लो आप. अगर आप कोई एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करें उसमें 3, 4, 5 जो भी ऑप्शन दिए हैं and if you are 100% sure that you can omit or you can delete such options, it is called as technique of elimination. जैसे कि यहाँ पे इनसाइड 100% क्या हो जाएगा? कट हो जाएगा. तो आपको सिर्फ नियर बाय और अबो के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. अबो भी कट हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी बाहर वेट कर रहे हैं तो अबो का सवाल ही नहीं. अबो मतलब जब आप उस प्लेस के ऊपर रहेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, सो द 100% आंसर इज नियर बाय ओनली. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर अ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस रुचि.
It was 6 a.m. and the sun was already up.
यस, इसमें कुछ ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये 6 AM में आपको अप ही रहेगा, दिखेगा आपको. ये जो कंडीशन रहती है 6 AM की जनरली, हैव यू एवर सीन रुचि सच टाइप ऑफ सीन? आपने कभी 6 बजे उठ के ऐसा सीन देखा है आपने रुचि?
यस सर, सर डेली नहीं देखती बट कभी उठती हूँ तो देखती हूँ.
आप कौन से विलेज या कौन सी जगह पे रहते? वेयर डू यू स्टे?
सर इन द विलेज.
कैन यू टेल अस द नेम ऑफ योर ब्यूटीफुल विलेज?
विलेज बस्ती.
बस्ती. एंड इट इज इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? कौन सा जिला है?
बस्ती नौगढ़.
नौगढ़. एंड इन विच स्टेट इट इज? नौगढ़. यूपी, एमपी, बिहार, कौन सा स्टेट?
यूपी.
हम लोग आएंगे कभी. थैंक यू.
सर मेरे गांव में आपको इनवाइट है.
ओके, थैंक यू. ओके डियर, एड ओवर प्लेस. रुचि.
I hate looking dash from high place. I have fear of heights.
Okay, so what will be the answer?
Down.
कैसे गेस किया आपने? How come?
Because I hate looking down.
Okay, okay. ये पिक्चर के बारे में बताओ जरा.
Sir, the boy is afraid. I think the boy is enjoying to see the down place.
फिर भी वो थोड़ा सा झुक के देख रहा है. What it means? थोड़ा सा ऐसा वो अंदर ही है लेकिन बेंट हुआ है. सो कहीं ना कहीं उसके भी मन में डर है बिकॉज ही इज अ चाइल्ड यार. यस और नो? सो यस, ये चाइल्ड है तो इसके फीलिंग्स होंगे. उस देखना तो चाहता है कि नीचे क्या हो रहा है लेकिन थोड़ा सा ये तो डेफिनेटली ये जो सेंटेंस है उसके ऊपर लागू है. जैसे कि आई हेट लुकिंग डाउन फ्रॉम हाई प्लेसेस, आई हैव अ फियर ऑफ हाइट्स. और जनरली होना भी चाहिए क्योंकि अगर आपको फियर नहीं तो आप कहीं पे भी चढ़ेंगे, आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा देखने की कोशिश करेंगे और ये हड़बड़ी में आपको कुछ हो सकता है. यस और नो? ओके, नेक्स्ट फॉर this one. Ruchi, read this.
An adverb of degree tells us about the intensity or dash of an action. An adjective or another verb. Purpose, meaning, extent.
What will be the answer?
Teacher, sir, what is mean by extent?
Extent मतलब कितने हद तक? कितने हद तक? How far? In English, how far? जैसे कोई boundary. Yes.
Sir, what is mean by purpose?
Purpose. Why? Why you want to do that? Purpose. Objective and all that. Purpose.
Yes.
And meaning, you know, meaning what actually the meaning of
Yes,
particular,
I know.
which will suit over here.
An adverb of degree tells us about the intensity of purpose of an action. An adverb. Sir, option C will come.
Yes, dear. Absolutely, you're right. So the answer is extent. One more thing I would like to focus here is adverb of degree. When you say degree, see, I have a picture over here. Very slightly, quite very. So definitely one thing is common, that particular thing is going to happen or not happen. If it is going to be happen, it will be at extreme, we can say, possibility. If it is not going to happen, we can say extreme, we can say the end. There are very less chances, or in between there are chances. See, quite, slightly. Yes. So degree means how far that particular, or to what extent that particular thing is going to happen. जैसे कि टेम्परेचर के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया, इट इज टू हॉट. कितना हॉट है ये? टू हॉट. यस. एक्सटेंट. हाँ. लेट्स गो फॉर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस रुचि.
Poor people rent the dash expensive place. Most quiet list. Sir, list.
लिस्ट आएगा.
हाँ.
Why list, dear? Yes.
Sir,
yes.
What, sir?
Why list? Why not most or quite? Answer list.
Because sir, poor people rent the least expensive place.
Because the word poor, this is, we can say, adjective over here. The word poor itself tells us that their capacity is very low. They can't afford expensive places. So they will live only in a cheap or a very least. The word is least expensive places. Can you describe this picture, Ruchi?
Yes, sir. This is a picture of the poor place.
Yeah, we can say slum area and all that. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go for a next slide. Ruchi, read this.
He missed the train. He got there just after it left.
Wow, very good, dear. The answer is just.
Because
he is on the platform itself, but just, I think, what will be the timing difference between this person's landing over here and then the train might have left from this place?
the train is left and he was running.
Okay, so hardly we can say there is a difference of seconds, few seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Yes. So just, you can say, you can use this adverb of degree just. Just means just. There is very, we can say, a very less time, within a second or within a fraction. Just. Yes. Let's go for our next slide. Ruchi, ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है that you were there and just for a few minutes you left that opportunity, chance, or a train or a bus? Yes,
तो हुआ होगा but अभी याद नहीं.
Okay, no problem, dear. Let's go for this slide. Read this slide.
It was dash hot to play tennis, so we went swimming instead. Sir, it was the two will come now. It was too hot to play
tennis. Yes, very good, dear. Because देखो sentence क्या बोल रहा है? It was too hot to play tennis, so we went swimming instead. देखो, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा धूप रहेगा तो उसमें टेनिस तो नहीं खेल सकते, but definitely ठंडे पानी में जाके हम लोग स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं. जैसे गांव में तालाब वगैरह है, और सिटी प्लेस में जैसे स्विमिंग पूल वगैरह है.
Yes? Sir, in the Mumbai there is a swimming pool.
Yeah, very good, dear. You know that. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read this slide, Ruchi.
Yes, sir. We are dash going to make a lot of money with this investment. Answer. Sir, what is the meaning of obviously?
Obviously means confirm. Yes.
Sir,
Obviously.
obviously, exactly. And sir, what is meant by B1?
एग्जैक्टली का बहुत ही मतलब श्योर शॉर्ट मीनिंग होता है. ऑब्वियसली का कैसे हम लोग ऐसे हाथ लगा के या किसी चीज को देख के हम लोग बता सकते हैं, बट एग्जैक्टली बहुत ही कंफर्म होता है. और इंडीड भी है, लेकिन इंडीड उतना नहीं होता है कंफर्म. सो विच एडवर्ब ऑफ अफर्मेशन विल बी suited over here?
Will come, sir.
Let's see क्या आता है, देखते हैं हम लोग. Yes, you are right dear. It is obviously. Yes. देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर में क्या दिया गया है कि वो जो पर्सन है उसके हाथ में पैसा है, वो सेव कर रहा है. ड्रीम, उसको कुछ ड्रीम रहेगा उसका, होम लोन या एजुकेशन.
Sir, in the jar of there is written dream, home, education, travel, car.
ओके. सो ऑब्वियसली मीन्स अगर कोई चीज का रिजल्ट आपको पता है, मतलब आपको देख के ही बता सकते हैं आप, हाँ ये तो ऊपर की चीज है. आई कैन 100% श्योर ऑफ दिस. ऑब्वियसली ऊपर से आई एम ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी विद दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट. आपका कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान रहेगा, आपका कोई सेविंग रहेगा, तो आप ये कर सकते हैं. और सेविंग करना अच्छी बात है. आई विल.
Yes, sir, I also doing saving.
Yes, very good. Yes. Then let's go for a next slide. Yes, Ruchi.
Sir, I don't see dash way this project could hope to be the profitable. Sir,
any. Why any? Why not not certainly?
Because sir, not here is mentioned not don't.
Okay.
The not will not come, I think. Currently is not come. I don't.
See the picture. That businessman is holding his hand and looking down. So definitely he is in a tension. And उसको लग रहा है कि I don't see any way this project could hope to be profitable. अभी देखो बिजनेसमैन है तो उसका एक तजुर्बा रहता है. He has experience, so he can tell us that ये प्रोजेक्ट नहीं चलेगा and all that. So he is quite tense and he is telling that I don't see any way this project could hope to be profitable. इससे कुछ प्रॉफिट होने वाला है. And देखिए the adverb of negation. When you say negation means you are going to use negative words like not, any and all that. और ये जो certainly है ना, ये certainly adverb of affirmation है. हाँ, तो जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको, you can use the technique of elimination. तो ये certainly है. Yes.
Sir, I think the man was jealous.
No dear. उसको पता है क्योंकि वो एक्सपीरियंस है, और होता है ऐसा लाइफ में कि हम लोगों के साथ लॉस होता है कि नहीं. इट इज नेचुरल. जरूरी नहीं हर टाइम आप प्रॉफिट में ही रहे. जरूरी नहीं कि आप जो कर रहे हो उसका आउटपुट आपको 100% मिले. जरूरी नहीं ऐसा आपके साथ हमेशा ही हो. तो दिस इज ऑल नेचुरल एंड यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. ठीक है. और एक मैं जो यहाँ पे चीज आपको बता रहा था कि सर्टेनली क्या है, इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ अफर्मेशन. और यहाँ से डिलीट हो जाएगा, तो आपको सिर्फ नॉट और एनी के बारे में सोचना है. और भी ये दोनों के बारे में आप सोचते हैं तो नॉट यहाँ पे सूट नहीं होता सेंटेंस में, क्योंकि वो बराबर मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनता नहीं है. एंड द आंसर इज एनी ओनली. वेरी गुड. लेट्स गो फॉर अ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द स्लाइड. रुचि, कैन यू रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक? टेल अस.
Trick and types of adverb. FM and PT at home in the corona period. Sir, this is the 6 types of degree.
Degree no adverb.
6 types of adverb. Sir, I think this is a short form of learning.
Yes, because I told you that whenever any teacher, any parent or any other person asks you, tell me the names six types of adverb, you should say that FM and PT at home in corona period. because आप FM सुनते हैं और PT तो करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि कोरोना है, तो आपको थोड़ा योगा वगैरह करना पड़ेगा. तो सिमिलरली FM ADPT ये जो एक एक वर्ड है स्टैंड होते हैं, इसके लिए आपको याद करना है. ठीक है. कोई भी पूछेगा तो आपका आंसर क्या रहेगा? FM and PT. F stands for frequency, FM and PT. Okay. Last slide. अगर आपके पास नोटबुक है या आप मोबाइल में स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो, तो प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू एवरीबॉडी. जल्दी से स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका.
Sir, I have taken the screenshot.
So here I want to end it. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.